We haven't discussed about an off-road vehicle before, so today the Mahindra Thar is going to be the first off-road vehicle on this channel. Also, I don't know if you happen to know this or not, but I love all types of cars, be it performance, practical, off-road, everything, and that's why you will see at least one or two videos regarding every kind of vehicle here on Motor Drift. Today we are going to be discussing about a vehicle that has probably destroyed the market of the Jeep Wrangler in India. I feel proud to say that Mahindra has launched the all-new 2020 Thar, which is as capable, if not less, as the Jeep Wrangler for about one-fifth the price. The dream has finally become a reality. Also, you might remember about the issue I talked about regarding the price of imported cars in India. So the Jeep Wrangler costs much more than what it actually needs to cost. An Indian off-road enthusiast, including me, wanted a capable yet affordable go anywhere SUV. And with the Thar, Mahindra has made this possible. So let's start the review. The Jeep Wrangler. Because the design of the Thar has been inspired by the Wrangler, so it could be fair for me to say that the Thar is the Desi Wrangler. The wide wheel arches of the Thar give it that supreme, tough, masculine look. The front bumper has a huge space in front of it. What I think of that is that Mahindra has left some space to give a space for a winch, which is very resourceful in the world of off-roading. The front grille design is unique to the Thar and gives it a unique identity. The lights have been placed in the perfect spot and they are bright enough to lit the roads at night. The fog lights have been perfectly integrated into the bumper and they have a nice visual appeal. The Thar comes in a three-door variant and the silhouette is a hybrid of the Suzuki Jimny and the Wrangler. The design of the wheels is subtle yet cool. The square wheel arches on the rear of the car is a classic design cue. From the design perspective, the Thar looks very promising. Let's see if it's impressive under the hood as well. The engine and performance. I still remember the time when people always commented that Indian cars are not powerful, but with time we learned. From making 45 horsepower Maruti Gypsies to 152 horsepower Mahindra Thar, we have come a long way and there is a long way to go. The Mahindra M Stallion engine, which is a petrol engine, puts out 152 horsepower and 320 newton meters of torque. And if you choose to go for the diesel engine, which is also a 2-liter BS6 compliant engine, it puts out 130 horsepower and 300 newton meter of torque. These numbers are healthy for a vehicle that weighs just around 1700 kgs. For an off-road vehicle, that's not heavy, that's light. Now, Mahindra offers the choice of a 6-speed manual transmission and a 6-speed automatic transmission, as well as along with a manual shift all-wheel drive transfer case to shift into your off-road modes through varying the power delivery to the axles. Mahindra has also nailed the suspension department. The Thar glides like a dolphin on off-road and goes butter smooth on roads as well, which is not the case with off-road vehicles. Coming to the interior, Mahindra's goal with the new generation Thar is to attract customers from both areas, the off-road enthusiast and the daily public, and thus the interior was a section of the car that has to be comfortable as possible. The interior has been laid out very well. The vents have been placed in the center to direct the air conditioning to the whole cabin. The cabin has loads of space for the driver as well as the passengers. There is a proper sturdy grab handle on the passenger side as you might be seeing, which comes handy when doing serious off-roading. There are Thar badges all around the cabin in case you forget the name of the car in which you are sitting in. The egress and the ingress is quite easy on the Thar. The co-passenger seats gets folded so that you can access the rear seats of the car. The Thar's rear seat now strictly accommodates only two individuals, so the Thar is basically a four-seater. The dials are perfect visually, and the quality of materials on the Thar has been raised by a huge margin. It feels much more premium and much more richer to drive.
The all-new Thar. Born again.
The Thar is one of the first attempts made by an Indian manufacturer to make a proper 4x4 SUV, and it's phenomenal to say the least. Mahindra hasn't launched the price tag yet, but I suppose that the car will be reasonably priced and it would sell in huge numbers because Mahindra has absolutely nailed the Thar. That's it for this time. Thank you. I trust you liked it. If you did, then do share it with your friends and do consider subscribing to Motor Drift for more such videos in the future. Your comments are welcome, so please leave them below. Till then,